Yeah, man, every possible for you come here, you carry your empress come, but it's a principle govern the Congress, you know.
Yes.
We are one have to come live and abide by it. Them can abide by the principle govern it, them couldn't stay.
Right.
The woman them live to a 21-day principle up here. When them ask them period, purification, them now come and mingle amongst say and I as brethren.
Okay, so once a female is on their menstrual cycle,
she can't come amongst say and I.
It's supposed to be locked away, or not locked away, but stay by herself.
Yeah, and amongst some other empress and thing who not, when them free now, them come amongst say and I come to them can't go to the service when them during those time either.
So
this visit was the first of 2 visits to Egypt, Jamaica by the emperor. There was also a second visit that happened in 1970, which is unknown to the public of Egypt, Jamaica, because it was a personal visit made by the King of Kings, Emperor Haile Selassie I to the island. So there are 2 visits, but the Jamaican people is only familiar with the governmental visit that he made in 1966 at King's House, and where he met the Arman King Emmanuel, the Black Christ. You understand? A fulfilled prophecy and history recorded in the Bible in Genesis 14 when Abraham, returning from the slaughter of the kings, and met Melchizedek, and Melchizedek blessed him, and unto him Abraham gave 1/10 of the spoil. It's a repeat of what happened 2,000 years ago. In the book of Genesis repeated itself, 1966, in our dispensation that happened between His Majesty, which is the returning Abraham, and Melchizedek Emmanuel, which is the returning Black Christ. Jah! Rastafari.
Black are dominant. You can't get the recessive without dominant, but you can't get the dominant without recessive. You see what I say? Yeah, I'm black man.
Alright, let me ask you a question now. That one I make you come off with that one. Good. Alright, so for like a man like my General Chris.
Yeah.
Well, grew up in a black community. See? Only thing pan Chris to me with different skin color.
Yeah.
Him not have no control over that. Because we couldn't choose what color who we could have been. Someone like him now grew up around all of these things and know say, boy, I hear someone there, them place I want to go.
Yeah.
Different from. We say no fees so. Where's the Chris? Chris, put it on this and we say, you not give away your white brother for your black back. See, they will go put it on Chris. Chris, they put it on his spot wicked. Yeah, make them. Yeah. Hero, me go answer that now.
Let me ask you a question without starting an argument. I'm going to give returns right now.
Yeah.
Okay? And one black man was sitting amongst 5 white men speaking the same. Right? Would this be an open conversation or no? But how would you feel about 5 white men speaking with the same strength about white power and what we're talking about? This is just a debate, not an argument.
Yo, John, all if you ever hear B&B, them place of people come steer them in the man.
Yeah.
John, ambience is everything.
Yeah, man, more time things like this it want, you know?
John,
yeah, man, I got this, man, is it?
Look at this. Wow. I know many Jamaicans never seen this before. Sure about that. King Emmanuel. Yes, massive blessed love and respect. As you look right there, so with the right upper Bobo camp, in St. Andrew, Bull Bay, You understand? You don't know, big up every time. You don't know, mad love, mad respect to everybody who stay tuned right here now and start watch the program here. You understand? So today we're going to learn about Bobo Camp. We are going to know how Bobo Camp look. See it there massive and no joke thing. See it there. Everything fenced as far as you can see. You understand? So when you forward, this is where you're going to enter the camp from. Yeah man, look on the hillside now man. Up on the hill with there now man. Look now man. The sky and mountain that you see man. Look. See it there? So right now, we are going to introduce one of the brethren, one of the Rastafari. You don't know, we are going to tell we Wagwan, show we Wagwan over Bobo Camp. You understand massive? So listen to me now man. Start like the video. Start comment if you ever been here before. Anything like that, we want to know. So right here now, look who we here with. See it then man. Introduce yourself and just tell them who you be.
The Honorable Priest Imani, my Lord and Empress, Prince and Princess, Ja
Rastafari. Yes, massive. So right now, this is the elder who is going to bring us through, show us what going and tell us exactly what going on Bobo Camp and how Bobo Camp set up as me bring forward to show you right about now. We're also there with, you don't know, see the artist here from the earlier video, you don't know. Alright, the great Caesar massive. You understand? Yes, my general. And the Honorable Prophet Shakir. Shakir, you don't know, big up every time. So we're going to try with the man them and we're going to just find out what go on. You don't know, take us away. So what's the procedure? Like me, you know, as a new person forward up here for the first time, what I go on?
When everyone forward for the first time, you know, it's a vision make you have to come a Bobo Camp. Because I remember the first time when I'm on a forward and I'm on enter into the gatehouse, you know, the international guard and duty at the time told me that is the presence of Rastafari make I forward. You understand? So initially in that moment I was recognized and seen as a prophet. So everyone who forward for the first time is seen as a prophet or a prophetess. And then show your loyalty and you know your strength towards the Congress. You know, you develop yourself in the field or righteousness.
See all the rain here forward massive. Alright, over there, over this side.
We can't go in at the
can't go inside. Alright, so we are go over there, massive, over on the camp, and we are going to talk with Priest
Imani.
A little bit. As the rain forward, as the blessing forward down. You see me? Yes, massive. Beautiful place. Alright. Yes, massive. So that is Chris over there. Blessed love. Respect. So yeah. So
come on, someone.
Alright, so we're for the Rasta over on our ends where we can raise. You don't know.
Going at the food house.
So massive, we're just gonna make the rain draw off a little bit. Wonderful. Nice. Queen Omega. Never went into captivity. See it there? Alright. Say that again? Alright, let's see a word.
Most natural. Yeah, so it's the first time I want to forward is always seen as a prophet or a prophetess if it's a female. You understand? So it's not just you just willy-nilly get up and just say, "She hear about Bobo Hill, you go walk, go a Bobo Hill." It's really the spirit of Rastafari bring forth such a person to such a foundation as this. Ja Rastafari. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Nicely.
Just to answer your initial question, you know?
Alright, see it there?
Yeah.
Alright, so you rain ease up.
Yeah.
So alright. Down the entrance a while ago.
Yeah.
What area is that?
That's, well, the actual street that I see a recording and actually showing them the entrance towards the hill.
Yeah.
That is...
That inside, after we come inside the gate. Oh, it's a reception area.
The gatehouse.
Yeah.
That's the gatehouse.
Oh, you call it the gatehouse?
Yes. Right. It's
Otherwise,
a reception area
area.
also. Like for instance, this is our food room, but we don't really use the word cafeteria.
Ah, yeah.
Call it
All
food
right.
house.
Alright, so you mind take me down because I see some pictures and things on the wall, you know?
Come down.
Yeah. So can probably just show me a bit of what go on.
Show me the check say you're down there already, I record.
Man, we don't record nothing yet. This is the first as it a turn on. Yeah,
What do you
man.
mean you never record nothing yet?
Yeah, man. So Chris did there, you don't know, we're there with Chris and we are massive. So Chris will go and talk with everyone as we go.
Show them a record.
Yeah, man, it's still good, man. So look, massive. So this is the reception area. Look on the colors. You see the red?
Known as the gatehouse.
Known as the gatehouse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where every visitor for the first time, and even every person leaving the Congress, have to actually enter into here before going forth and coming. You
Wonderful.
understand? Yeah.
All right, this sign here. Look on the sketchy sign.
It says Black Sovereign Nation, Ethiopia Embassy in Egypt, Jamaica, 10 miles, Bull Bay, St. Angelo.
Yeah, no.
The R represent all forms of righteousness.
Yeah.
Rastafari, repatriation, redemption, reparation, all forms of right, resurrection, right? When it says Black Sovereign Nation and Ethiopian Embassy, what it is actually saying is that we are a sovereign people. Meaning also that we are an Ethiopian government within the Jamaican government. Hence why this is the Ethiopian Embassy.
Yes.
Because the founder for Bobo Camp, King Emmanuel, is the only authorized ambassador to His Majesty in making him ambassador.
Okay.
And that is hidden from the Jamaican people from then time until now.
Teach them about.
Ja?
Teach them
Rastafari.
Rastafari.
Okay?
All right. So inside here.
Yeah.
All right. I could see if we can make a walk.
Yeah.
So first, blessed love again, respect manners. Yes. On Flatbridge. Yeah, I was the one on Flatbridge. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
you can tell me a little bit about what's going on the wall here.
These pictures really reflect the visit of His Majesty to Jamaica in 1966. You understand? Yeah? So, the welcome, when get everything, you know, what happened in Jamaica from the time from 1966. I mean, this visit was the first of 2 visits to Egypt, Jamaica by the Emperor. There was also a second visit that happened in 1970, which is unknown to the public of Egypt, Jamaica, because it was a personal visit made by the King of Kings, Emperor Haile Selassie I to the island. So there are 2 visits, but the Jamaican people is only familiar with the governmental visit that he made in 1966, you know, at King's House, and where he met the Arman, King Emmanuel, the Black Christ. You understand? A fulfilled prophecy and history recorded in the Bible in Genesis 14 when Abraham, returning from the slaughter of the kings, and met Melchizedek, and Melchizedek blessed him, and unto him Abraham gave 1/10 of the spoil. It's a repeat of what happened 2,000 years ago. In the book of Genesis repeated itself, 1966, in our dispensation that happened between His Majesty, which is the returning Abraham, and Melchizedek Emmanuel, which is the returning Black Christ. Ja! Rastafari. Yeah.
Well said, well said. Massive, love the colors, always a beauty. See a picture over here. It's Rastafari. Yeah.
His Majesty and him lion. Many lions. Yeah man, the King of Kings.
Wonderful.
Apart from His Majesty, it is known that it's only Solomon can speak to animals.
Solomon.
It's a known fact. Apart from His Majesty, and recorded fact that I know about personally.
Yes, sir.
During all of my research, you know, the 2 Solomonic kings that can speak to animals was only His Majesty and the one King Solomon. Yeah,
Wonderful.
Man. Yeah, man.
Well said. So this is the reception area.
Yeah, the gatehouse where the international guard is always on duty, you know? Yeah.
Nice.
Right? So it reflects, you know, and symbolize all what the government stands for. You see it have the pictures of the prophet, priest, and king, because that's our divine trinity. We worship only the prophet, the priest, and the king. You know that the prophet, Marcus Messiah Garvey, came with a vision and said, you know, black people to look to the east. The king will arise and you can take him to your God and king, which was his majesty when he rose and was crowned in 1930. And he also spoke about King Emmanuel, that when he come with the R, accepting he was speaking to us here in Jamaica. Yeah. So when he come with the R, accepting when your leader shall rise 10 miles out of the bloody city of Kingston, where we are now located, which is 10 miles from downtown. Because this is not weird. Here is not where the foundation started. You know. The Bobo camp started in Bakawal, where Tivoli is right now. That's its original foundation. But it was bulldozed by the crocodile government of Egypt, Jamaica. Hence, Emmanuel did have to relocate here in Abulbi in 72, 73. Okay. Hence, fulfilling prophecy that Marcus Garvey spoke about. So black people, your leader shall rise 10 miles out of the bloody city. When him come, he will come with the R, which is where you see we wear, and is on our documents, and is on our banners that I tell you represent all forms of righteousness, and that we must drop X immediately, which you know is in the Jamaican flag. Ja Rastafari.
Well said. Massive. Right now the rain are poor. And me I tell you,
blessing.
Me I get some, look outside. Blessing upon blessings, man. Yes, man.
Send down the rain. Send down the rain. Send down the rain. Send down the rain. Send down the rain.
In my soul, need a revival in. I must abide to the blood of me. Hey! Singer! Sing out! See the singer they need a revival. So massive as we go on easy back in the reception area, the guard room. You understand? Massive look on the hillside. It's a beauty. Listen to the sounds. Listen to the sound of natural rainforest. Mighty, highly Rastafari. Make me show you some other things and doctrine.
That's the Constitution.
This one is which one?
Our Constitution.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on, take a good look at it, record it.
It's on the Sabbath. Wonderful, man. Wonderful. Yes, massive. So, as the rain go and pour, we have actually talked with Honorable Priest Figo. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more, you know, as to as when it comes on to sharing his knowledge on what is going on up here in Bobo camp. See here. So big up, blessed love, Honorable Priest Figo.
My Lord,
yes, sir.
Honorable.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit of your knowledge now. Somewhere upon your head where you'd like the world to know.
Yeah, because one world, black people in general, the whole world of people know said, them government is here. It's not the ex-government where they mark X. Because when you go to school out there, if you get our sums wrong in your class, they mark X. That means you're wrong.
Yeah.
But if you get it right, it get a ticky or a R. Well, the R man is here, you know?
The R man is here.
Yeah, and the cook stick man is here. Where the man with the rod, Father Moses, you know? The life giver, you know what I'm saying?
So,
yeah.
For those who don't know,
yeah,
tell them what the R stand for.
The R stand for righteousness, Rastafari, repatriation, redemption, you know? All word of right.
Right.
Righteousness. You can't wrong and get right. No matter how you might try, you know what I'm saying? So R stand for righteousness. And the rod, they know, you remember when you get the sums right, they make a little ticky. And the rod that the man show, you know, say you're right. The man with the rod. The man with the X like ex-government. Jamaica government, Boston mainly government, ex-government. Them say we too rule the people, them divide and rule, you know, conquer and rule, you know what I'm saying? So, I man never make X for my band. I never vote for this government here. Or no other government. I never make a X. And the man say, if you find the man afar, you forget about the X and hold on upon the right.
Hold on upon the right.
Yeah, because the man that know it right and do it not shall be whipped with many stripes.
Teach them no man.
Yeah, so if we know the right and know all the right, and this man a Prince Manuel, you know, he's one of the most dangerous men of the world, you know. Babylon afraid of him, you know. The former Prime Minister of Jamaica, Bustamante, said, don't give this man a loophole in the island, because if you give him a loophole, he will lead all the people through the loophole and carry them back to Africa. And one occasion when Prince Manuel write Queen Elizabeth towards him redemption and repatriation, she sent back home to the Jamaica government, said there's a certain man in this country who no one must molest. For him time to come, his law will be Lord over her law. You know, so that's why them afraid for the man, that's why them hide this man and so. You see what I say? They would have revealed this man to the world if this man was so dangerous. You see what I say? Yeah man, Prince Emmanuel, look at the man, him bow to them system. You know, from 20 man ruling in the island here, Prince Emmanuel, they agitate for him right. Him they are up car camp agitate for him right. All when him they up car camp, Buster they are jail in a up car camp, in a prison. Yeah man, Buster man till they are up car camp for prison, you know. And when him see Prince Emmanuel pass himself, him a call to him, Brady, give them a word down there for me now. You see what I say?
Yeah.
So every man know have this man, but the Jamaica government try to hide this man here. That's why I come now for publish and conceal not. Tell the world of this man and who this man here is.
True,
the Black Christ in flesh. Because we don't praise Jesus up here, so you know. We burn fire for Jesus every
Tell
day.
it like it is, man.
Yeah, we don't praise Jesus up here, so. And the black man in flesh we praise her. And we don't praise spirit God, because spirit without flesh are dead business. You see what I say? Yeah. Flesh without spirit. We praise God in spirit and in truth. You never hear a word son come out of thin ear. Entire year word son come out of flesh and blood. No say go?
True.
So
yes,
for you look for God, you have to look for God in flesh and blood. That's why the man says the spirit and the truth. The flesh manifests the truth and the spirit in you. Is what I say? Yes, yeah, man. So give thanks to that, you know, because it's a salvation ground this. A school with it.
School.
Yeah, university. It's the highest university in the world right now.
So massive, let me give you a little interest to what happened. So, you know, we come in here, you know, honestly I don't know of the idea of how Bobo Camp set up. So, you know, same as how we came here, they're teaching us as we go along. Right, Chris?
Yes.
Yeah, man. So, you know, as we step in, you know, they make us know that this, you know, it's all about principle and being well dressed. So even as you can see, look for me good. But well tucked in.
Yeah, shirt in your
you understand? Shirt off in your pants.
Yeah.
You know, shirt was out and then show say, yeah man, decency and principle, shirt in your pants. You understand? Yeah.
Talk, speak, guile and these things.
Right. So I didn't even know about this culture. So you know, me have to really listen and learn. So you say we have to turn to the east.
Yeah,
and pray. You understand? So where I'm standing, we're actually pointing the camera to the east. So show them the palm. Oh, you have to.
Yeah,
right.
Turn to the east. And,
right.
And block a prayer, you know. Your prayer going out and your prayer coming in, you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
This is a holy ground, you know.
So,
you know?
That's all.
Yeah, Holy Trinity.
That is known as the Trinity.
Yeah, the Trinity. It's His Majesty, Holy Trinity.
Trinity.
When we pray, we don't put on like we have a class on. You know, Babylon and class on.
Yeah.
That church out there. And we don't shut eye.
Shut eye, don't shut eye and pray.
Watch and pray. And we're Trinity, you know?
That is it.
Yeah, man. So you don't know how in our tradition and we live it, you know, saying we pray 6 o'clock in the morning, 12 o'clock in the evening, and 6 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah, man. Tell me about a little about the culture like that.
3 times a day we pray and read 7 psalms. 7 psalms in the morning, 7 psalms at 12 o'clock, and 7 psalms 6 o'clock, you know?
Right.
Because you don't know, we are prayer warrior. Yeah, some people that are them a prayer warrior. a Bobo Shanti a prayer warrior. We never stop prayer. Because we are praying to the true and living God in flesh. We not pray to no idol where Michelangelo take one picture, one in pen and draw one man.
Draw somebody.
And say, see God there. We pray the true and living God, the blessed Trinity and power, the prophet, the priest, and the King, the Father, Son, and the Holy One. Him so high you can't go over him. Him so low you can't go, and him so round you can't. Them three man they come to mash down wrong and set up right. You see what I say?
Yes,
yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So
it's really a great energy, man, and a peaceful kind of vibe. True. So massive here, once you step in, you know, says a different thing. It's a different vibe you get once you step beyond the boundaries, you know.
Man.
You understand? It's a real Rastas, you know. So once you say, you know, pray, I did the honor of saying the prayer on our entering. You understand? So thank you for showing me that made so. Yeah, this is one of the elder Rastafari. You can tell them your name? Honorable Priest Baya. Baya. Blessed, natural. Yes, man. So it's actually a great feeling, you know. Chris been anticipated up here. Chris, you can go on Chris channel and you see some of the interviews that he was having with some of the elders here as well. You understand? So, all right. Tell me a little bit about like food-wise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I try to, you know, say Bobo no eat meat and these things, and you know, vegetable we deal with, you know, and we don't eat from the vine tree, you know, like yam and pumpkin and church.
Okay. Oh, so yam and those things like vine.
Yeah. We don't eat from the vine tree, you know, see, and we don't drink strong drink like liquor out there, you know, see.
Yeah.
God man say strong drink is rich, you know, we boil the roots and we set the roots and thing and. You know, our lifestyle different from the world of people. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Because we don't dance reggae music and these things. And, you know,
yeah.
Tradition.
I was speaking to another Rastafarian, you know, and he was saying that this is Bobo camp.
Yeah.
It's not just about Jamaica or so. Yeah. Tell me a little bit about that. Like when you want the person to know, so when you talk about Bobo camp, it's not like you're just talking about Jamaican people and Jamaican this and...
Because Bobo camp is an international place where people from all over the world come.
Right.
You know? So I know just a little place where some little Rastaman gather. It's an international foundation where people from all walks of life come learn the way of life, you know, how to dress, how to eat, how to talk, how to walk. Things you used to do, you do it no more. Place you used to go, you go there no more.
Yeah.
Things you used to eat, you eat it no more. Because when you come to it, it's like you're born again when you come and say, it's a newborn soul.
Yes.
You hear things where you're not even realize, the rest of them things that go on earth. You see things, you see what I say?
Yeah, man. More eye-opening type of
natural.
Thing. Yes,
that's
man.
why it's good when people come to the Sabbath service. Them get to learn.
All right, so about the Sabbath service,
yeah.
We could talk about the Sabbath service. So the other day we came here on the Friday.
Yeah.
And we didn't get access. That's the preparation day.
Yeah, for the Sabbath.
All right.
Yeah.
So on the Sabbath now, tell us what you do on the Sabbath now.
Well, the Sabbath service go from 5 o'clock in the morning.
That's 5 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah, that's you can get the 7-hour praises.
Yeah.
You know? We go 5, 7-hour prayer, come down 12 o'clock. We read 7 Psalms, sing 7 hymns, and read the Sabbath lesson, Exodus 20 and 31, you know? And you know, we culture the congregation, read a book in a chapter from the Bible said, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because we read this Bible years through, we in a captivity. But Ethiopia have one of the oldest version of the Bible. Whatever old version may be in whatever language it might have been written, the word remains the one and the same. It transcends all boundary of empire and all conception of race. It is eternal. So just say we use this King James version here now as a little compass to in a captivity. But when we go up the Nile and reach River Euphrates, we'll throw away that and say, dust to Babylon. We can't know what thing that because the right and the wrong in there it symbolize and crystallize. You know?
Yeah. But so you have to gain certain knowledge of read and understand.
Understanding. That's why the man said wisdom and knowledge and understand, but above all things, choose understanding. Because the white world have wisdom and knowledge, you know.
Yes.
But them not have no understanding. If them they have understanding, they won't have been in captivity or so far. This one I said? So to them lack understanding, that's why them try to be supreme over we.
Yeah.
Like them, you know, white men talk about white superiority.
Yes.
But black man have black supremacy because out of the black man and the black man come all nation. And no nation can bring the black sons and daughters.
True. Yes.
True, Marshall.
Why me I tell you? There's so much to learn, there's so much to see. So massive, as the rain drew off, we're gonna take a walk. You understand?
True.
And would I like walk with you as well, you know. So you can show me a little bit around, you know. Me see a nice area right at the front here. Look, I can't really tell what it is if it's like a gathering section.
That's so?
Yeah, tell me a little bit
about
right here.
It's an out here bingy. More time when we're in the tabernacle,
yeah.
Keep the service outside in the front here, no?
Right at the front here. So I see a bench there and things.
Yeah,
See
and the
bench
altar
there.
there, so.
Altar. Yes. Nice. See even some flags on the hill. Don't mind me if I ask questions, you know, because that's how I learn, you know. So, I would like you tell me about some of these flags they're waving. They're not waving anything right now, but they're still standing high.
If you notice, we have 7 banners out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7
And you don't see no Jamaica flag.
None.
Because we don't fly Jamaica flag. Jamaica flag is a pirate flag. You see,
Yes,
you see
the X in it.
with the X. Them take out the skull head out of it. You know the flag with the 2 bones?
Yes.
With the skull head. Well, then take out the skull head and left the 2 bones. That's a Jamaica flag sit you know? The pirate flag and our flag. If you notice, we fly all the Nigerian flag, the Ghana flag, you know, and the black flag, the United Nations, as security, the blue and white one, all this, so.
The one.
Yeah, beside, yeah. Marcus gave a flag, that one, the red, black, and green.
Yes.
I know the red, gold, and green, and the Rastaman color. Because we don't fly turn down red, you know. We red not turn down. It's a red up.
Yeah, you red on, I was on the top.
Yeah, if you notice,
Yeah,
most
realize.
Rasta group you go, you see them red down at bottom.
Okay, see them massive look good.
Red up, you know?
Red is on the top.
Red, gold, and green. Fly up, turn up red.
Alright, so for all the massive who don't understand the color,
Yeah.
you think you can explain
Yeah, man.
how the colors came about?
The red is for the blood. The red represents the blood, the life. It comes first. The gold represents the wealth.
Yes.
I black people, and the green are the greener fields. We walk on the earth.
Yeah.
You know, the green. So red, gold, and green. When you see the rainbow in the cover, and you see the red, gold, and green. The red not turned down in the heavens, you know.
Right.
The red up there, you know. So
Yes,
you can see
sir.
it, yeah.
Yeah, man. That is it. Why some saying I like ask them questions?
Yeah, man.
So tell me now, like for a Rasta man out there, a Rasta woman, yeah, regardless of who, and they love Bobo Camp.
Yeah.
They see this video and saying that I feel like my righteousness is there among these people.
Sure.
You know, what can they just like come up here and introduce themselves, and how can somebody like join what you have going on? Is it possible?
Yeah, man. It's possible for you come here, you carry your empress come, but it's a principle govern the Congress, you know.
Yes.
We are one to come live and abide by it. Them can abide by the principle govern it, them couldn't stay.
Right.
The woman them live to a 21-day principle up here. When them ask them period, purification, them now come and mingle amongst her and I as brethren.
Okay, so once a female is on their menstrual cycle, yeah.
She can't come amongst her and I.
It's supposed to be locked away, or
Not
not locked away, but stay by
and,
herself.
Yeah, and amongst some other empress and thing who not. When them free now, them come amongst her and I come to them can't go to the service when them during those times either.
So no, there's
them couldn't go to food house and them can't come here. So
and they can't do prepare no dishes nor.
No, for themselves, them do that for
For
themselves in them gates.
Okay.
And you have an empress and minister to them during such time.
Okay, yeah, man.
The bridging them now will come here, they know. Them have to know where them come about. If I read them, if I salvation then come about.
Yeah.
Or them come with the ways of the world where them left out there. Because when you come here, you come born again. You know?
Yes.
If you come and want to be a part of this, you know, so it's like you drop yourself, rise yourself.
Rise again.
You go down to nothing if you come build yourself and rise and do what you want to be. Because the ways of the world can't work with up here. So
Leave off and
you have to left.
Yeah,
live in the world
that
but not have the world. Yeah. The world to come.
Start
afresh. Yeah, so most people come here, it's difficult when them start afresh. Because them used to the bling
used to everything out there.
So when them come here, so they straight look about them run going back out there because they can't take it. When if them just humble and build themselves, them that rise to any level because the man say with a good attitude.
Yes.
you can't reach any altitude you want. That's how you go?
Well said, man.
Natural, my lad.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So, our next question. So tell me a little bit of like stuff that goes on beyond the walls. Like I see badges. I see Avan like some badges.
Emmanuel, this one by the King Emmanuel, the Black Christ in the flesh, you know.
Right, massive. So look, if you never see who King Emmanuel is,
yeah, man,
look
our
at
father, man. The man that teach you lots of things. Without this man here, they said they could have fooled some people some time, but them couldn't fool one.
Couldn't fool.
They couldn't fool all.
True.
They couldn't fool the man, yeah. And true, they couldn't fool the man, yeah. They couldn't fool the yeah. So, you see what I say?
that is it.
Yeah.
So you make anybody make those
yeah, man,
over here?
and Bridging make the boat. I threw the Bridging on the boat here.
Also on have
We sell them too, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jack Chris, so they want to sell them.
Oh, Jack Chris? Jack Chris is the one who makes them?
Yeah, I'm one of them. Enough man.
Okay. So,
yeah.
so like I see many of these like even this place here.
Yeah.
You have persons who do the carpentry over here too and stuff.
Yeah, man, because you say the man come from Babylon, they don't have him trade.
Yeah.
Him can't fit in at the government said we, you know.
Yeah.
If you're a mechanic, if you're a upholsterer, anything you can't do, we used to do at Babylon. You come here, you can't work said we and build up yourself. You know?
True.
It might slow when you just start, but gradually and gradually people know say yes, are you there, so they might come.
Put in the work.
You see? Yeah, man.
What about farming and stuff?
Yeah, man, we have a vineyard more time, you know, but more time, you know, through kind of and thing, man. Water problem, more time, you know.
Yeah.
But we have a farm, man, and thing, you know.
Yes,
I can't big, you know, go way up so and thing, but more time, you know, the few in number right now.
Yeah, fully understand that.
Make a move on, you know. So we have to just work with what we have.
Massive, it's a vibe. See there again, Massive, the red is on top, you know?
Yeah. Nice.
And as you can see in the background, that's the artist. Remember the artist Caesar. Nah, leave him out. You understand the artist Caesar? Check out him Instagram, check out him on YouTube. You understand? You can watch a next video of him with us, with Chris. You understand? As him drop 2 tunes, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Just a great vibe.
So I don't know my artist. You sing song. The artist sing song. DJ sing.
Yeah, more of a sing J type
Yeah,
of
sing
thing.
J, yeah.
Sing J, man.
Yeah. So pause go, Marshall.
Nice vibe. Massive, when the rain drew off a little bit, I'm gonna just go on the outside so you can see a little bit around. I mean, just feel so comfortable in this space here, you know? There's so much to read.
I hear a woman, you know.
So much to look at.
I hear yard too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Black people something, you know.
Chano.
I just people don't know, say them place they have for them come help build up them government. So like how them out of Babylon, they have build up Babylon government. Marcus Garvey say if we just drop arms, span them for even 5 minutes, they mash up. Because Marcus Garvey say, we have to work for them, work in them office and them thing there. Defend repatriation. Say we want to go home, agitate, say we want to go home. The black people come together and say, we want to go home. Them have to send home.
So them bring us here, and then we can't go back.
Yeah, them bring us for slavery and kill we half. You know saying? If John never come with the Sabbath and give with the Sabbath day, them that kill with work down here. One little day just give and them that tell you, them pay a time and a half feet, or 2 of them pay a double. You know? And
they still want it.
Yeah, and they make Sabbath be the biggest merchandise there. Everyone gone a market on Saturday, then pay the people from Friday evening. That's then can go market Saturday and pollute them Sabbath to kill themselves.
Because that's pretty much the only day you get to have a time on your hand to try ramp pack everything that you need to do.
Yeah.
To jump back in it again.
And Pope Constantine make Sunday now,
yeah.
which are the first working day, as the rest day, you know?
So, but most people, the first working day, so they still kickstart on Monday.
Yeah, but so Monday and the first day of the week. No, Sunday and the first
Sunday
day of the week.
First day.
Yeah, because it start again from Saturday the 7th, Sunday the 1st, Monday, Tuesday, you know, till the next 7th day, you know? So Sundays are working day, but Babylon trick the people them and say, no, a Sunday, rest day. Because two Pope want to show himself, say, I am, you know, I'm the God. Pope Constantine and him friend them, you know what I'm saying?
You know, set it away the right.
Yeah, natural. Yeah, man.
Vibe, you know? Massive, we just go and open up the cranium and then and absorb as much as we can possible. As you were talking about with the rainbow and thing, you know?
Yeah.
The colors upon this artwork here. I wonder who did this.
On a virgin, man.
Name, I can't see the one of the part like it said Bobo Jimbo. Yeah. Black star. Like liner. Liner. Black star liner. Yes. Nice. That's the money way. That's
yeah.
thing in money way. So one quick question. Like is burial spot. You know, you could tell me like about his burial spot or where was he laid to rest or such?
Well, the man did lay down him structure, you know, through prophecy and history. You know, the man say him sojourn, him come from the east and sojourn at the west here, you know. And then get a blow in him head, one was buried in the west here, you know. The architect for the earth, you ever hear? The architect for the earth, sojourning at the west side. Him come from the man say as the sun rises from the east, and so the sons of man coming from the east, and he come home at the west here.
So him laid to rest to the rest.
Yeah, he get a blow in him head and he was buried in the west. So when them say the architect for the earth, you know, one must got that no matter about.
Architect, then
the
architect
earth.
Now who build,
Earth,
yeah.
Yeah, and them say the architect for the earth, sojourn from the east and end up at the west here, and them get a blow in him head and he was buried in the west. But are the creator, you see what I say? Yeah. We're not telling about no Jesus thing. And
massive, let's open our brain and listen.
You know? Yeah.
You know, some things where persons now get up every day out there and teach. So
natural.
that's why persons like me have to get beyond the gates and come learn and spread it to everyone who I can spread it to. But them say, who have eyes let them see, who have ears let them hear.
Yeah, because Marcus gives the time to come, people are crawl upon them belly to reach out yourself, you know, when the war bus, you know.
Yeah,
even the war must bus, you know.
Even did it in our song, I say, remember when Gabby said, the time I go dread, Lord. Everybody I go run red.
Yes, say, man fi live 10 miles from the city, from the watching Babylon running red hot. Yeah, song, sir.
Big
Marcus
tune.
Garvey prophesy say,
yeah,
man should live 10 miles from the city, sat up on the mountain top, watching Babylon running red hot, tribal war in a Babylon. You remember that?
Yeah.
A prophecy and history.
I man, I sing that song there, man. The other day I was listening to a Fiat song then too.
Yeah, Marcus prophesied it and said if he was in Jamaica in time of the redemption, he would rather be 10 miles out of the bloody city of Kingston.
10 miles out.
And at that mountain top of my
right.
So it's a prophecy place today. So when I found that faith, I see him, I'm one of man where Emmanuel is sent come here, come found this in the 72. The man is there 72, you know.
And long before you born, you know, man.
You see it.
And I born 86, you know.
You see it.
And it's a 72, and if I was 72, a big man, but him not look so like in there from them at time there. So that,
yeah.
From the beginning of time.
That's true, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Man still strong and fit and things. So, you see, so the way right. Man supposed to eat right and all them things. John was star. 72. Salvation in his soul, you know. Yeah. So you can tell me like a little bit of like what you use. Like tell me as a young youth to ask you. Yeah, me fully overs, man. But yes,
yeah, man, that's what the earth around, Marshall. Give thanks to them present still, you know?
Yeah, man. Jamaica walk by, man.
Yeah.
I know Christmas this is here.
Man say publish and conceal not, you know?
Yeah.
The whole world of people have to know what going on. I know say them government is here and them bridging is here. The sea entire year waiting for them because I know as Bobo Shanti. That gathering ground the sinners, a holy bomb. the whole bomb. You don't matter about bomb like say it's only a iniquity place. You saw the whole bomb. The
Holy
people
bomb.
can purge themselves, can wash off themselves, you know, and bomb become fresh up themselves with the word of right, you know.
And
so
live right.
How can a young man cleanse his arrow ways? By taking heed unto the word. You know?
True.
And say the word a lamp unto thy feet, you know saying?
Teach them.
Aye, so we have to come to this. That schoolroom I call up and my brother and sister them out there. Come. Because them, you know, them do them balls, they'll drop out of them pants. Them have the balls machine up at UC there, you know. And the breast machine. Because a little more you see when we go home, some people say they're not going nowhere. And so when we gone, and then realize the judgment of the bus, them will run to the government and say, oh, I want to go home now. And the government say, then we know that son, I want to go. We don't work.
Trouble.
And the balls machine and the breast machine will take out them time there. It's like how they can carry a dog and thing. I saw them all do the man them too. Because they don't want to picnic. Yeah.
Start already.
Now,
Yeah, we get two. We have two. We have a daughter and a son.
actually.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, if you not take a trip, and make sure say you can't go now. It's just like the other day with the you know what them bring out and things we never want. Sometimes they have certain words. Well, I want to mention about that nigger thing there, that V word there.
Yeah.
They're ready to put a hole on your video and thing. Yeah. You understand?
Yeah.
So I never want to say that word there. But once they come out with that V word there, where they want to give that little joke there, and say, boy, if you don't get that V word there, you can't go over this and you can't
sabotage all your things.
go around this and you can't do this and you can't do that if you don't have that. Yeah. Me never take it still, you know. All know, you know. Because me did tell myself, say, me did tell myself, say, me can go and kick it a yard.
True.
And go and live. But make we see what go on until then. So tell me start see them say now.
Them easy to have.
They easy to have now. So no one to know what was the real. Because they not tell we that, you know.
Shit, man.
So,
but true, them have to plan where them all implement down the line.
Then have it now where they say them put in your animals. Then just sell it away where them say, yeah man, put it in your animal when the animal get lost. You can easily find them.
Yeah, and
you know, you can easily find them. There'll never be a lost animal anymore. When them put in a you know, then start here your kids now. Are the kids them first now, you know. Then say, you're sending your kids off to school every day.
Yeah.
You don't know your kids' whereabouts after them leave the property. Now you can. You can just simply implant this into their neck. And you can check them on your phone. You know their every movement.
Yeah. But Jah did prophesy say because them say them put on them dog and thing and just say not even the dog that piss on the wall of Babylon shall escape.
Shall escape. Not even the dogs.
Not even the dog that
and
piss
see
them
them not escape fire.
Yeah, not child. So you don't know. And the chip.
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go.
Beast.
Anywhere you go. Some countries already, you know, you don't get physical passport or none of that again, you know. Yeah man, you have them put it on your hand. So when you go through, yeah. Some of them now they have this one now where they put it on your neck. So once you walk through the sensor, it just beep. And once it beep, you see your credentials and everything come up on the camera. Yeah man.
So come here travel no passport business.
No passport. Them start it already, man. Them start even the chip bank card, you know.
Yeah.
I think in the one part in England already.
Yeah,
it depends on your thumb. I think it's in your finger. Yeah. So if you want to purchase something, man, then just push out the machine and just put your thumb on it, man.
Yeah.
And it just scan your thumb and take off the money. You don't need no more card again and them thing there. It open up and there, I think it's England. Don't quote me on that, but yes, man.
Yeah.
See them advertising it and show it. You don't need a physical card anymore.
Now work, now we have no money. In a bank, we have no bank.
Yeah, because they not going to exist because they're done with paper money. So you have to go into the system. So they are forced now. So when they get rid of physical money, you have to go in the system. So you're on the way to survive now. It's like just like how you guys doing now. You make your own camp, you plant your own food, eat what you grow. And you live healthy and nice. Once you get beyond it and go down in a feed system, it's like they're not doing anything about it.
That's why the war go bust. War must bust, you know. And enough people are dead too. But it will cause a war. You know? You know, yeah, when him these things say.
Don't people not agree with it, you know. And when the system start take hold then people are going to start rebel.
Remember Peter Church sing one song say, pound get a blow. This devaluation is gonna cause an eruption. Pound get a
And you know one of the thing now with that, all of them man they will do them song and them thing, they don't get no time and hurt, you know. They continue them movement, then take you off, man. Too powerful.
Yeah,
none of these men. Once they come, Garnet Silk was one of the last one that come out and just start preach some things in our music different and him just vanish.
Yeah, because it's a poco thing in the music and it kill them off.
No.
You see the reggae? You see man with the stick there comes up. A poco, you know, and Naya Bing with that. Naya Bing said, dead to the wicked. Dead to the wicked. I look at this thing now, I say, kill the righteous. Kill the righteous. Because I walk. You see what I say? Yeah. It's a sign, everything that say answer. Kill the righteous. So when them they
in the sound, in the instrument.
Yeah, it has to kill the righteous. Like what Naya Bing in instrument said, dead to the wicked. Dead to the wicked. You see what I say? The phone there. They must say, so they might kill off themselves and them not even realize, although you see them go there with the stick. And they might jump up and go and like say, and I kill themselves. That's why so much. You know, see what I sing at them and what them are dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, go down there. They might kill off themselves because that instrument they them
even play. The sound.
I just said Nebuchadnezzar instrument, you know. When Nebuchadnezzar tell Daniel, say if him not bow to the flute and the cymbal when he hear it. The dulcimina. And them throw the man a lion then and throw Shadrach, Meshach in a fire furnace. This one say throw them not bow to them system. We like to go on now. Yeah. We not bow to them. We stand up. Thunder in diverse places.
They say devil never beat Jah yet.
Yeah. Just every man at this earth, every animal, every creature have an enemy, you know. You see the person move through, him have to look for something, I look for him, I might look for catch something. Yeah, I would the black man enemy. I look for kill him, for catch him.
Babylon.
White world. Yeah.
You have to watch out.
Yeah, God them set a system, you know. Capture. Yeah. Swallow up, man. Because you went in there, black man can't bring him, but he can't bring the black man. White is recessive and black are dominant. You can't get the recessive without dominant, but you can't get the dominant without recessive. You see what I say? Yeah, that black man.
Alright, let me ask you a question now. That one I make you come off with that one. Good. Alright, so feel like a man like me General Chris.
Yeah.
Well, grew up in a black community. See? Only thing pan Chris to me with different skin color.
Yeah.
Him not have no control over that. Because we couldn't choose what color who we could have been. So a man like him now grew up around all of these things and know say, boy, I hear someone there, them place I want go.
Yeah.
Different from
But it's not going to be a white. It's not going to be a white.
We say no feel so. Where's the Chris? Yeah, we, Chris, they put it on this and we say, you not give away your white brother for your black man. See, they will put it on Chris. Chris, they put it on his spot wicked.
I'm at their house. I'm gonna let them.
Yeah, make them. Yeah.
Yo, I'm going to give away your black brother. The white man.
Hero, me go answer that now.
Either you kill him, or you're going to give away your black brother. You know the animal, your black brother.
Alright, me I go tell you how me I go answer that now. Hero me I answer that now. Remember we have black brother where now with us. Them themselves rather the white man. Because remember you know, when me I learn certain things, them say the white man, most of the white man them never literally go catch them one black, you know. A black then send, you know. Go do that. So you see if me have a black brother where him corrupted like worse than one white man, me I go you know pick the white man over him. Because me I go have a better chance. So it all depends now half a skin color.
Yep, on the work. I went in the soccer.
But just want me know how me split it once me I get the love there from a person. Me I go just give him the same energy.
1 minute. 1 minute soccer, dangerous sea man.
Nah, pick. So me going to do that for him, but when the table turn, him kick me off.
My money can't do
Nah,
it.
give me the white girl for the black one. Because first thing, you can't change this color and skin.
Yeah.
And the leper can't change this spot. You
Yeah.
understand? So you can't change that being a black man and you can't change that being a white man. So if you complete it.
I've got to do what I have to do.
Yeah, I mean,
I can't sit here quietly and agree. I can't agree, right? But I'm in your house, so I have to let you speak. If you haven't been around enough like me, right? Let me ask you a question without starting an argument. How about if the tables were turned right now,
Yeah.
okay? And one black man was sitting amongst 5 white people, the same, right? Would this be an open conversation or no? No, but how would you feel about 5 white men speaking with the same strength about white power and what we're talking about? It's just a debate, not an argument.
I would ask God, five pound one.
Well, I'm the one right now. And we're gonna change roles.
Yeah.
No, you just have to touch it.
What I'm saying is that 5 white men and this gentleman as the only black man.
The host.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a strong believer that each can have their own opinion. You guys have your area.
But it would never be 4 black men to give the 1 black man.
This is an argument that has no answer, right?
Yeah.
This is your,
It go always be in the situation then.
yeah, it's an opinion-based conversation.
Yeah.
I think the white man.
Yeah, me honestly have some white friends where you can't tell them say them not black. Because them look on your pamphlet, first question them say to you say, did you choose your color? And you can't answer cause no. Because I wake up and be Prince Charles' son. I mean I have no control over that. But them now, even though them shade of them color is white, them can look in at themselves and say, yeah, I'm white, but some things you go and did wrong. I mean I go agree to it. You understand? And if you come to the test, so them are going to say, daddy or mommy, me not depend on the side, you know. Just throw me out because what you do right now, me not work with it.
like the Lord never make my earth. Right,
You may understand.
You're talking black man and black people in general have fusion right through the whole earth. And even though you have black man and white man going to the same school, and the white man have a black man going to 25 bedrooms, and all of those people will stand up and agitate and say, free up the black man can get free, why we can't get no freedom? So them still not give the white man justice to please the black man. An individual different from the massive, you know. Because remember say, you know, you have black man and white youth and black youth go to the same school. And remember say, you know, in the house, the helper is a black woman. Get the kids, send white youth go to their school, bring them home, look after them food while daddy and mommy can't work. You understand? But at the same time, those youth, even though they have a love, the black man, black people, but they take me to school, they put me they carry me to the camp and let me learn. But them said, "We are not giving the white world to be use them just to see them." Because it should have do already. Because the amount of black man, the amount of black people will work in the white world and bring up the youth from the youth with a baby. When the mother gone to work, the baby. They could have do that and free you up too.
So as 44 years old now, living in North America, I've never in my life had a white family that has a black caregiver. Period. I mean, you're picking a very, very small percentage of people making an argument about it. So for you to blame me as a white man...
No, we're not going to blame
Yeah, him just say.
But for me or my race to be blamed for all the negativity that whites have caused...
Long before you. Yeah.
To me, it doesn't make sense, right? No different than we're in Jamaica, 98% black. Murders every single day, which is a black on black crime here in Jamaica. So do you think 100 years from now, we're going to be, or civilization is going to be blaming blacks for the murders that occur not only in Jamaica, Barbados, Africa, many different countries? There's crime and violence from every race. And as my good friend said, like, we are born away. We don't get to choose. You're a man. You're a black man. I'm a white man, right? I believe that everything that I've heard today over the course of my tour has been educational. The one part that I cannot agree with is the whole thing about me as a white man being the cause of your problem. Maybe my ancestors, but things have changed and things will continue to change. But in order for the world to become a better place, I must accept the fact that you deserve your time to go back to Africa. But I also respect the fact that there are people living in Africa that have lived there 10 generations that are white, right? And what makes them not have the ability to live there as well amongst each other? We are brothers. Yes. But this is a division of the world, right? And the world would not be a better place.
Real spirit.
Right. So my wife is from Asia, right? So what, like, I'm not a believer in what, like, I respect what your opinion is, and I believe every human can have their own opinion, but I don't believe the world's a better place by dividing it. But like Europe, you know, go to England today, and there are just as many black men as there are white men. Are you saying that they should be shunned or kicked out of Europe? Is that what you're... Not everyone's going to agree that...
That's all right.
Yeah.
That's what you're doing. Going to read Ethiopia. China for the Chinese. Europe for the European. India for the Indian. that. And then when every nation find back its own vine and fit, then can be a world free. Because it's hard. You see, alright, America now, Africa now. White people them buy out the whole of Africa and them now give back the black man in power to go back in Africa. But them want to buy out Africa, take over Africa for them. While them have Europe that historically, them have Europe. Give them one.
But for example, I go to Africa. There's many countries I've never seen a white person in my life in Africa. When I go to Europe, every country in Europe, I see a high percentage of black individuals. Right. No, but the problem is those people are wanting to leave. There are people in Africa, Ethiopia, that want to migrate to Europe for better opportunities because the people within Ethiopia are not giving them that opportunity. And it's not different than here in Jamaica or a lot of places around the world.
That they could have his own birthright when they live off. Understand? Jamaica is not our land, you know. Okay. And we come here, so to survive, we have to work under the jurisdiction of the White House. Anything where the white man said, we have to bear it. We don't have no talk for ourselves. First thing, we never come here by passport. When we come here, we never have no passport. And if we figure Africa, we have to go have passport. And if we don't decide to take the vaccine, you can't go in. Yeah. So, who command them authority? The white men.
But I agree with you, but it's not all white men. It's a government, it's a politics. Yeah, and if you look at any political establishment in the world, it's no longer white.
Yeah,
there's everything.
We don't blame the individual, you know.
Yes.
We not blame an individual, but we are blame the system being set up.
Look, the richest place is Africa, you know, have dime. And the black man no have no talk over it. We no control it. I see in white world, and the black people them struggle and suffer same way.
White people inherit those wealth where them foreparents slave road. So if them have any love for we, these young white generation white now, them should agitate for say the black people need a justice and come together with some money and you know try to give advice. But them not give it. Them just enjoy come and watch riots, sit down and have it, get suntan and black people with them tree and minister to them. Them love those things.
But not me. I'm not on the beach. I'm here to spread your word to the world.
That is
it. I'm intriguing myself.
Yeah, true, that's why the man say. The man say, him love a black man, a white man with a black heart. More than the black man with a white heart, you know. You have some black man with a white heart, you know. But him prefer. That's why him say, a living dog is better than a dead lion. A living dog is better than a dead lion. So you have white men, you know. Him say have the black heart. Because if a white man come here, I declare black supremacy. We still glorify him. As long as him declare the black God. But if he come and talk about in Jesus, we are going to use him up. Any nation come and declare of the black God. And article it. Him people might crown him king little more. And when we take over her, I one heaven, you know. One Zion, a black man have the heaven, you know. Ethiopia, Africa. Europe are not heaven. Asia no heaven. Western world, Zion,
Jerusalem and all this.
Yeah. What are the black man come all
Alright, me I just make a step outside, come on, show me, go catch a flag them. You see me? Alright. Yeah. Yeah, massive. Seeing so right about now we are going to walk the property right now a little bit and look around and think. But guess what? I do it with a different style. I go roll with the artists. You don't know Caesar.
Yeah, hear my voice.
You understand? See then, man. So we and Caesar go just walk around a little bit and just show you how the property stay up a Bobo camp. You see me, the rain just drew off and thing. But yeah, Caesar. Caesar, you know a place, you know?
No, man.
So you have to go just show me a little bit. So earlier when you see me touch the building there, you understand? Yeah. At the lunchroom that see that side, that's all the flag them here. We hear the Rasta did a talk about.
Yeah, guy, but them no work with the Jamaican flag, you see, pre.
Yeah, hear that? But them no work with Jamaican flag.
Yeah, man, a pirate flag that man him say the
Man said the flag have in the X.
Just the bone them missing.
Just the bone them missing. Alright. So see it there? As them talk about the red always the top.
Yeah, man.
Green.
Up the so just pass of the what they call it, police.
Police.
Yeah, man.
Me personally know all of them flag, but I know what I say. I don't know if I Nigerian flag that. So next flag there, see the Rastafarian flag there. And yeah, they have the colours them up there. Yeah, massive place, nice and clean. The cleanliness is next to godliness. Plum tree.
Even next to cleanliness is godliness, they say.
Cleanliness is godliness.
Yeah, man.
See it there? Here from Caesar. Massive, make sure you check him out on Instagram. Real good youth.
Yeah, man.
Bad artist.
Double
But me tell them in Instagram.
Yeah, man, double underscore A, double underscore A underscore God DAD.
That is it. Check out him on music. So you record and everything already and bunch of things, don't you? Because them sound like them how much plastic already, you know.
I know, so me just have the talent though, but me don't really have the money for funds the thing, you know.
Right, so we are gonna make sure that some producer reaches. So you see a Ramesh them we are watch all them things and see them artists underneath we find you know. Send some new youth a road to see them way.
No
you understand? Joke, I'm gonna make sure I put a link to the other video where you hear the man. I'm gonna make him drop a show. Where you say? Later on, I make you do a one a cappella same speed, you know.
Yeah, man, it's better off outside because we can't really do chat the bad door than them thing the inside there. So.
Ah, you hear that? Ah, massive. So we actually the Bobo camp.
Yeah, man.
It's a show now a little bit at the place, you see me?
Yeah, man, I know the police up there, so man, you see, but.
We can go up there? Think we can walk up there?
Yeah, we can go up there, but we can go in still.
Oh, yeah, man, we don't have to go in.
Yeah.
Crazy colors. Massive with them on the hillside. Look there, man. Yeah, no. On the sea down there, so.
Oh.
Yeah, no. Trad it.
Like
which part them make you broom them?
You want to go in that broom place?
Which are they?
Let's see it where we look right there, so.
Alright, we'll go around. We could just go right up there, so, and this video through off the hillside. We'll bridge this. So, Bull be a your place.
I'm not seeing someone, is it?
Yeah, man. You talented, brother. So, massive. I start him, I go start records. So, extreme art, cash flow records. My brother them. See, a youth have a vibe. Just read the sign on the door.
King Emmanuel, policeman, no trespassing, no weapon.
See it then, man. Bobo camp. All massive when I know what Bobo camp look like. See when I see what Bobo camp look like. Look down there, man. See that? Yeah. Bobo camp.
Yeah, man, some man on the road them believe in anything, man, but them have to come here so people can know the original
Get
thing.
the right thing.
You see it, we can see how real them are real Bobo, you see it.
You hear that? Without Bobo camp, you're not a real Bobo yet.
You see it.
If you come here so you come get the teachings.
Yeah, man, for graduate and pass as a Bobo.
Graduate and pass as a Bobo. And because you see which they make the broom, you know.
Yeah.
So massive of a Bobo camp, they make broom, they make even badges and them thing there.
Yeah, man, they make roots and wine.
Roots, wine.
For them kind of cooking different. So if you're tired of your kind of cooking, you can try out the Rasta lifestyle.
You hear that? Yo, it's pretty a fret.
No joke, man. It's a nice little view, man. I see every part where I come from out there, so on the seaside and everything.
Yeah. Bob Marley Beach there. Way down that side there massive.
That side.
Oh yeah. Down more around that side there.
Yeah.
Alright massive, we are tried a little bit.
We are going at the broom place now. Them build broom, them build all kind of broom around there, so them build broom for outside. House broom.
Yeah?
Broom for ceiling, dusting broom. Can walk here, so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, after we show you that, I'm going to go show you part. King Emmanuel Berry.
Oh, yeah?
We engraved it.
Whoa. Yeah, bro.
After that, just go back by front,
Yes, dear. Real Jamaican massive, real Jamaica. Yo, John, all if you ever hear B&B, them place of people come stay at them, you know, man.
Yeah.
John, ambience is everything.
Yeah, man, more time, things like this it want, you know?
Yeah, man.
The people can see what the
Just
hands are here,
this.
what the hands are here about.
Yeah, man. Real hillside setting. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Right up at the shop. Nice open space.
yeah, like them use them.
Like them just done it and clean up.
Yeah, then just not too long good. If they didn't come like earlier, we could have catch a couple of them.
Yeah, man. Massive, see there.
Yeah, man, at that time you use and build the broom.
Touch. A touching name, huh?
Yeah, something like that. I don't
Yeah,
remember
man.
exact name.
Yeah.
Then get like one ice pick and then cutlass.
Strand them out.
Yeah, then comes a woman like put the ice pick between you and drag it out till it gets small. Then chop off the amount of them want and fold it
Yeah.
and tie it.
Well, look like you sit down and just watch them more time I do it.
Yeah,
look
but-
like all you can do it too, you know. Yo.
You know what they my dog son, I Bobo for show me how to do, man.
Workshop.
Yeah, cause it makes sense. I don't have nothing to do.
You can't just sit down and hold a vibe see me and just go and use the hands them and say, yeah,
You see it.
make fashion. Yo, I not like, I feel like a place and I just forward and just relax and just easy back from the world
A nice place, man.
and just deal. Humble youth massive. Caesar. Bad artist.
No joke about it.
Nah, stop talk about the youth here.
Yeah, man, I have all kind of song, man. Is it dancehall song? At least I have gun song, I have med song, I have mother song, money song. I have a song for almost every topic.
Every topic. Yeah, no. Yeah, massive. Bobo Cam. Yeah. I'm gonna put Caesar Instagram link in the description, so now go over Caesar page and follow him on Instagram and give him some love, you understand? Spread some love. Link up the man, cause right now see the man give me an extensive tour. Yeah? You understand? If you don't want to buy him a coffee to see him speed, what you say, man? Send him man, shot him man an inbox. I youths them out of Bull Bay. Humble youth, massive, no joke.
No joke
You
about
see me?
it, man.
Shot him a message and you don't know. Buy him a coffee, buy him a drink, see him speed. Make sure you say, when you bless him up, no joke.
Right now, I don't want like a producer for work with where now watch face for the money part because that's my problem right now. I want to get
there.
used to the studio and then kind of thing there, see it? Because that help me improve more.
Yo, cash flow rinse. Yeah, watch this. See Caesar, yeah. And make sure so when I shot me a rhythm so I can shot Caesar a rhythm. Give Caesar a voice. If I'm a one tune, I want to take it from there, so. You see me? Why I never realize how the place the big?
Yeah, man.
Yo!
This I
Wow!
God, man, is it?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, man, I got this, man, is it?
Look at this. Wow. I know many Jamaicans never seen this before. Sure about that. King Emmanuel.
One.
King Emmanuel 1.
Yeah, man, no copy. No photocopy.
Yeah, that King Emmanuel 1.
No photocopy.
Rest in place. Right on the hill. Bro, this is a goal. Enough people don't know about this. Jano. Right at Bobo camp with the massive. Yeah, man. Right on the hill. I look down some place. Yes, I.
Yeah, so can go down back for front now.
What a vibe. Alright, massive, I shoot back down on the ground. I say, you know, so I not stop calling name. I Caesar name. So I part with Caesar and I get used to the man name.
Yeah, man.
Get used to the artist. Remember, you know, Skilly Bang, no Alkaline, no Vibes Cartel, none of them never born boss. You see me, they never born with the gold spoon. You can never tell, say, next year, next 2 months, or this man here run the whole ground.
Who knows?
Remember me telling you that none of them artists are never born boss. They just need one break.
Joker.
Just one.
Joker, I'm humble but I'm confident same way.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we are forward right now. Yeah, man, just one break. One song. And him good.
Yeah.
You see me I say? You might never know as I say massive. Could be next 2 years. Next year, next month, next 2 months. At this man here. Everybody I talk about Caesar.
That man get familiar with it, man.
Remember me telling you that. I know see me a post him thing them, so no joke.
True.
So massive bless up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. Big up all massive from Bull Bay. Big up Caesar one more time again. You don't know all the Rastafarians them. Big up all of the Bobo them. You don't know. Great video. Different type of vibe. Different type of meditation. Trust me. Bobo Hill. Look on the place, man. The place clean and relaxing, man. Look then, man. No joke. Yes. The massive day with Christmas list. You don't know. Big up Chris every time. Yeah. So as we close, I just want to say thanks again to everybody who stay tuned. If you watch the video and you not subscribe yet, subscribe now, man. You understand? That is it. Subscription is free. Always. As we close the video, outer Bobo camp, the red, the yellow, the green. One love every time. Unity is strength. Remember that. Yeah, man. Outside. Same way we are showing. No? We're outside. Yeah, massive. Chris, big up. You don't know. You see the man there. Subscribe to him YouTube channel. Same way. You're going to see the link in the description. It was a great day. Great experiences. Lots to learn. So we're there, massive Bobo Hill, Bobo Camp. You understand? Blessings, much love, much respect. We're outside. Big up again to Caesar.
No joke, man.
No joke. So as a matter of fact, we now left on Caesar and drop a tune. Caesar, why you give me a cappella? If I'm paced like we are giving a vad there. You see me? Tell me when you're ready. Ready?
Yeah, ready, man.
Go on a road.
Alright. Yeah, we no pull back just out of the Rizla pack. We no run joke pan gangster black. Make talk of the rifle answer back. And no politics sponsor that. What you know about court and jail, man? Mama just deal the man, don't feel the man. Can't lock up in a cage with crazy man. And your heart full of rage for long. Me a aim for me goal, anywhere my life lead. Aim to the top with a very high speed. Bad mind at the lock, faith at the key. Me put patience in a mighty. Live and we learn in every aspect. Make mistake, but me nah no regret. Nothing easy. You what some life said, some me not take no disrespect. If you don't firm, you will fall to the pressures of life. Me go through the struggles and rise. God still a bless me, and me never baptize. And if you don't firm, you will fall to the pressures of life. Me go through the struggles and rise. God still a bless me, and me never baptize. Me tell you enough days me an hungry par. Tell you say me hungry star. Feel like roll with the pumpy star. Drink till me junk like junkie star. White squall and me next G. Gas pain and sleepless nights and me bestie. Broke days never left me. Every day me a search for a girl named Stress Free. Me no link with drama. Every day me a pray mistake and karma. Me no like informer. So me try get a link to a high grade farmer. If you never qualify for the mind game, watch a wicked. No friend, them a crosses, them a wicked. Yeah, hear my voice.
Bad. Yo, me say me there while you tap and tall. Yo, youth. Trust me, massive man sound excellent and no auto-tune a cappella. So that youth you have real talent.
No,
I see him name. When you hear much time me call him name, you hear youth, a real talent we are dealing with. Some of them man will want out a road for you drop real tune, real meditation, real melody. You understand the man that's a change melody, change bar, change flow, and a joke thing. You see it's a big up and thanks you don't know if you guide we walk with we and guide we through the ground and show you what go around and so massive. So me I say big up every time, respect, mad love, elbow bunks.
No joke.
That is it. So
Yeah,
massive.
Man, big up the whole of Bull Bay, man, and the Bro God's family, man. One
See
talk,
that?
you see me? Big up the whole of Center, man, Small Bay. No joke about it.
No joke. That is it. See? We outside massive. Big up every time.